Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is Shondrall McCall. This is my beauty channel and welcome. My brand is ICCI, Individuals Carrying Confidence Independently, and that is what I stand for. Here on my beauty channel, you'll have videos that consist of how-to videos, fashion hauls, DIYs, ways to make money, how to start a business, and much more. So if this is something that you are interested in, go ahead and like, share, and subscribe for a chance to win free gift cards. Okay, so let's get into this video right here, okay? So back in 2019, I started to make candles because I love candles. I love to buy candles. I love the way candles smell. So I was like, ooh, I just, decided during the pandemic, I found candlescience.com as one of the companies that I used for my fragrance oil. The name of my candle line is called Dripping Candles by Shondrall ICCI. And I came up with this dripping technique right here that a lot of people was asking, how I did this method. It was really, really cool and creative. And I was like, okay, I need to go ahead and make a video. Remind you, this was back in 2019, and I never got the chance to record a video of how I came up with the design for my candles. And now it is 2021. I hope you guys are liking what you see so far. And if you are a new viewer, go ahead and hit that subscribe button for a chance to win free gift cards. Anyways, let's get into the video. Hey y'all, I'm so excited to be doing this video after over like 400 comments on how to make my custom DIY candle holders. So this is pretty much what this video is going to be about, so thank you so much for tuning in. I was just showing you the different colors that I've already made so far, but this one right here is going to be a creation that I'm going to show you guys how I make my custom candle holders. And this is just an already finished one in that same glass style. You can find those at Candle Science, and this blue one here, those jars you can get at the Dollar Tree. Also Candle Science as well, you'll just have to pay for shipping and weight. So these are the labels that I make using Avery.com. You can make and print your labels from there if you are looking for a place to do your labels, and that is the first thing that I'm going to put on the glass container. And once you place it on evenly, we are going to get this acrylic permanent paint. I got it from, I think this one I got from Hobby Lobby, but you can get them from Walmart. I just got a white shade, shake it up, and we're going to apply it all over the glass jar. This is a paintbrush that I'm using. Is actually an e.l.f. makeup foundation brush, and that is the Modpodge, the glue that we're going to be using after we apply the paint. So I'm just going to put some paint on this brush, and we're just going to use motions going down, just in one direction, not actually going up and down, just going straight down. Be careful when you get to the labels. You want to make sure that you don't cover your labels. And we're going to do this until the whole jar is covered up, and make sure that you keep your fingers on the labels so you're not touching the paint. Now once you have it completely covered, you can just remove any excess paint that you see. Blend everything off, and I let them dry for a whole 24 hours. And that's pretty much what it looks like when it's complete. But then I decided to switch it up because I already had a yellow already dry. And I just wanted to show you far as an example of what it looks like when the paint is completely dry. And we're going to go ahead and do this candle holder right here. So we have the Modpodge that you can get from Walmart or any craft store. And I'm using the same brush that I used to apply the paint. We're going to use the same brush to apply the Modpodge. And also the glitter you also can get from Walmart and any craft store, and we're going to be applying gold. And also a paper plate. So we're going to do this pretty much the same process that we did when we applied the paint. We're going to do the same process with the Modpodge. And I just go straight into the Modpodge. I like to dip the foundation brush directly into the Modpodge. And we're going to coat the bottle the same way that we did with the white paint. Same brush stroke motions going straight down with the glue. Then we're going to go ahead and apply the glitter. I like to use the open side here. I'm going to show you what my glitter looks like as far as the opening. And we're just going to go ahead and sprinkle the glitter onto the candle holder. And we're going to do this all the way around until we fill up the container with glitter. And this is pretty much it. Rolling it in glitter. Then I'm just going to sprinkle some up here on the top. Dust some of it off. And that is pretty much how you make custom glitter candle jars. The last step, once it completely dries, you're going to do another coat of the Modpodge to seal in the glitter. Once it is, that will seal in the glitter just like this. So you are able to rub it and hold it without most of your glitter flaking away. So I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. I will come back again to do the other custom design drip effect. But yes, make sure you like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for a chance to win free gift cards. And I will see you guys on the next video. Bye.